Hello friends, here we will discuss number and ranking based question. This is very important topic in respect of your upcoming PO as well as clerical examination. So we will solve some number based arrangement question first and then moving to ranking questions. So moving to the first set of questions here, that is number based arrangement, and here's the first one. Set of numbers is given here and you have to solve the respective questions here. The first question here on your screen: how many 8s are there in the above arrangement which are neither preceded by nor immediately followed by an odd number? So this is talking about that how many 8s are there in the above arrangement which are neither preceded nor followed by an odd number. So first find out the 8. Here is 1 8. This is, yes, it's followed by an odd number, so this is cancelled. This is not the answer. Here is 1 8, neither preceded, okay, odd number. So this is one set, 4 8 2, right? So 4 8 2, this is 1. 1 8 5 cancel. 2 8 4 again. 2 8 4, here is one more set, and this is wrong. Okay, so two sets are there, right? So option B is the correct one. This is the first one, this is the second one, right? Easy questions. Here's the second one. How many square numbers immediately preceded by an even number? So square number in single digit value, that is either this is 1, 1 square 1, 2 square 4 and 3 square 9. This only three possible cases here, right? So first one, that is 1, which is immediately preceded by an even number, should be. So that should be countable one in our case here. Preceded by an even number. So this is 1, okay. 9, 2, okay. 4, no, this is not the answer. This is cross. And then 1, 6 preceded by an even number, here it is, right, preceded by an even number. This is cancel, this is again cancel, this is, yeah, this is good. So 1 2 3 4 and this is 5, right? So 5 are there. This is 8 1, this is 2 9, this is 6 1, this is 8 4, this is 6 9, right? So 5 sets are there, right? Option D. Moving to next one here. How many pair of odd numbers are there in the above arrangement? Pair of odd numbers, that means consecutive two numbers should be odd. Now see 6 8, okay, so 1 5, here it is 1 5, odd number 9 7 3 7, okay, then 5 9 9 7, this is 7 3 3 1 1 5, right? And that's all. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So total 8. Option B is the correct one, right? How many pair of odd numbers is talking about? So that consecutive two numbers should be odd, right? Moving to question number 4 here. How many 9s are there immediately followed by a number which is having factors except one and that particular number? This is quite tricky in form it is given. Simply it means that you have to check how many 9s are there which are immediately followed by a number which are having even number, or even if it's odd number, should have some factor except that particular number and 1. Now the first find out the 9s here. This is 1, but this is followed by 7. So this is not the answer. This is cross here, right? Again 9 9 7. This is cross. 9 2. This is again cross. So none is the answer. Option C. Understood? Moving to question number 5 here. If the above arrangement gets reversed, that means this 3 8 from the right hand side, if this gets arranged like this, 3 8 2 9 6 4 8 2 5 like this, okay, then what will be the third number? This should not be written. You should readily understand when you get this kind of statement that if the arrangement gets reversed, that means you have to start from this side. You have to take into consideration that this is the left end from your side, okay. This is the left side right now. You have to think on that perspective. Now arrangement gets reversed, then which of the following will be third from the right end, third from the right of the 7 from left end? So 7 from left end, this is 7 from left end, and third from this point, that is this third. That means finally 10 from left end. So 10 from left end, that means from this end we have to consider. So 3 8 1 2 4 6 8 and 10. So this is 1. 1 is the answer. Option B. Moving to next one here, and now moving to the rank based question. Easy question. Just try to understand and open to your mind that whatever the statements is written on the screen, that should be understood by an absolute easy manner, okay. Now are we ranks 19 from the top. So here is a set of students, and OB ranks, this is the top, bottom, and this is the bottom, right? So OB ranks 19 from the top. So 19 from the top, OB can be here, and 84th from the bottom. That means the same position it's talking about from the bottom. This is 84th position. Now, if these two position gives the two different ranks, that means this 19 and 84 sums up to, obviously gives one more than what's the total number of students actually present in the class, right? This is the form. I hope you understood this. From the top, this is given that this is nth place, and from the bottom, this is given as m place for the same student. That means what? Total number of students would be n plus m minus 1. This is the formula, right? Otherwise, if the OB's position from the top, it's given as n, and the bottom, this is m, the total number of person is getting counted one more than what it is actually there in the class, right? So n plus m minus 1, that is the total number of students in the class. Total students, right? So 19 plus 84, that is 103 minus 1. So total number of students 102. So option A is the correct choice, right? Question number 7 here. In a quiz, Kaya is 17 from the front. Okay, so this is supposedly front end in our case. This is front and this is behind or back. Right, now Kaya is 17 from the front. So Kaya is here, 17th position. Alice is 32nd from behind. This is somehow 32nd position for Alice here, and this is for Kaya. They can be overlapped, but yes, first of all, we have to keep it simple. So that's why. Moving to the next statement. Jen is just in the middle of the two. So Jen should be here. Otherwise, it can be happen that Kaya is here at 17th place and Alice just overcome this place, that is 32nd. That can be possible, but this depends on the total number of students given in the class. If it's given, that would be absolutely easy. Let's see whether it is given or not. If there are total 64 persons in the quiz, so 64 persons total, if that already overlaps 17 and 32 position, there is no way of getting the total number of students more than 49. The sums of both 32nd position and 17th position. Now this is total 64. So there is no question of thinking that whether total number of persons 49 or not. Obviously not, because 64 persons are there. So there is no possibility of getting their overlapping condition. So this is 17, this is 32. So what's the total number of students in this set? That is the first condition. Second is not our case here. So 17 plus 32. This is 49. So what's the rest? That is 15 students. Now 15 students in between these two, right? Here 15 students. 15 students, that means 7, 7, 1. Exactly mid position we can conclude here. That means this 17 plus 7 plus 1, that is the position of Jane from the front. This is what we have to find out. So Jane's position from the front, that is 17, that is 17 plus 7 plus 1, that is 25th position of Jane from front, right? So 25th is the answer, option C. Moving to question number 8 here. Students ranked 14th from the top. Okay, again, this is it. This is the top point. This is the bottommost position. 14th from the top and 14th from the top, and again the same person's ranking is given here, that is Suresh, 31st from the bottom. So the same person's position from either end it's given, that means from top and from bottom. So is this the total number of students we are getting here by adding the two different position of the same person? No, we have to subtract one from that, because we are counting one person's position twice here, right? So 14 plus 31st minus 1, this is 44. This is the total number of students or total number of applicants in this entrance examination, right? So who passed in the examination? So this is passing candidate, right? So this is passing candidate. Now 9 students not participate. Okay, so how many students total applied? So total students we have to find out who applied. Total application, okay, this is it. So this is 44 who passed the exam, 9 students did not participate, add it, and 24 failed in it. So this is 68, 77. Exam may be a little bit difficult, na? 24 students could not clear the exam. Anyway, that's not our purpose. So option D is the correct one. 77 total number of students who applied for the same. Right? Understood? Moving to next. Obhinav is 11 ranks ahead of Meena in a class of 58. So total number of students, that is 58, and in a relation form it's given Obhinav is 11th ranks ahead of Meena. Now if Meena's rank is 13 from the last, okay, so this is the first place, this is the last place, right? And from last it's saying that Meena is 13 from the last. What is Obhinav's rank in the from the first? Now Meena's rank 13 from the last. Total number of students, we okay, we have some information here, that is in a total of 58 students. So Meena's rank 13 from the last, that means Meena's rank from the first we can calculate, that is 58 minus 13, that is 45. Now 45 is the number of students before Meena, right? So from the first, 45 students already there. 46th place, that is for Meena. 46th place from the front of the first and 13th place from the last. That's why 46 plus 13 minus 1 satisfies the total number of students in the class. Understood the logic here? Now Meena's rank 13 from the last. Now Obhinav's rank, that is the relation is given, that is Obhinav is 11 ranks ahead of Meena. That means Obhinav is closer to the faster position, that is the Meena's position is 46, 11th less, that is 46 minus 11, 35th, that is the Obhinav's rank, Obhinav rank from the first, right? So option A is the correct choice. Hope it's clear. Moving to question number 10 here. Jayant and Priyank are ranked 18th and 34 respectively from the top in a class of 62 students. So total number of students 62. This is the total it's given. And Jayant and Priyank's rank. Jayant rank is 18th. Priyank rank is 34th. Right? And these all are given from top. From top. So we have to find out the respective ranks from the bottom. So keep one thing in mind, that is talking about their respective rank. That means whatever the way it's given, you have to answer in that manner only. That means Jayant and Priyank it's given. If in the option, whatever be the answer, so it hardly matters because every option is different. Let's solve it out first. So this is 18. So from the bottom, their rank, that is Jayant, 62 minus 18. This is 44, but not 44. What I have said, that the difference gives the number of students the just one less than where it actually presents. So that means the 44 students is already there before Jayant. So to find out the place of Jayant or the rank of Jayant, one should be added to this. That means Jayant's rank is 45th here. So what would be the Priyank rank? That is 62 minus 34, that is 28. So this is 29. Right? Now I am saying that it's talking about what will be the respective ranks. So in one option it's given 45, 29. I am not talking about other options, but without taking much possibility here it is. So this is first option, this is second option. Anyway, there are 5 options given, but if these are the 2 options given, then people may find it difficult to answer. 45, 29. It's talking about the respective ranks, and in which form it's given? Jayant and Priyank. So Jayant and Priyank, Jayant is 45, 29 is for Priyank. So this way you should follow, not option B is the answer here. This is the kind of scenario you have to keep in mind, right? So what's the answer here? Here 45, 29, and exact order is follows here, option A, right? So that is all for now. I hope you understood the different kind of questions, especially in respect of your ranking questions. This topic may become sometimes difficult to you, but yes, I have tried to make you understand all the different kind of scenario in this particular topic. Hope it would be very, very clear to you, and you will definitely solve more number of questions to get habituated with this kind of questions in going forward, so that you can attempt all the questions in the upcoming examination in a very easy manner. Okay, so that's all for now. Thanks for watching.